Konnichiwa again. In this video we will learn Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Our first alphabet is Ra, 1 and 2. Our second alphabet is Ri, 1 and 2. Our third alphabet is Ru, 1, just like 3. Our fourth alphabet is Re, 1, 2 and 3. Or we can write like this also, 1, 2 and 3. Our fifth alphabet is Ro, just like Re, it's Ro. So let's see some words from these alphabets. Our first word is SaKuRo, Sa-ku-ro, from SaKuRo. Our second word is Kairu, Ka-i-ru, which means frog. Our third word is Kuro, means black. Our fourth word is Shiro, means white. Shiro.